Welcome back to my channel, and in this video I'm just going to tell you that how to change who can tag you on Instagram. So do you want to change it? I'm just going to tell you the exact way to do that. So let's get started. And first of all, just simply open up your Instagram app and then come to your profile section and tap on the three lines on the top right, and then go to settings and privacy option. You can see the option on the right top. Just simply tap on that option, and then here scroll a little bit until you get the option of tags and mentions. Just simply tap on that option, and here you can see the option of who can tag you on the very top. So from here you can change it to your followings and just tap on allow. You can change it to don't allow tags. In order to stop people from tagging you, just tap on don't allow tags and tap on disable. That's how you can easily change that who can tag you on Instagram. So I hope it helped you guys, and if you have any question about the tutorial, just leave in the comment below and I'll be catching you in the next video. Thanks guys, and if you don't, just like and subscribe to my channel.